Using the mobile podcast kit. Inside the bag, you will find a set of headphones, a microphone stand, and finally a USB cable. To mount the microphone on the stand, screw the thread at the top of the stand to the socket at the base of the microphone holder, using the thumb screw to ensure that it is fastened securely. When placing the microphone on a surface, it's always best practice to have the back leg running in the line of the microphone itself. The microphone can then be moved to the desired position and tightened with the thumb screw. Next, plug the 3.5mm jack from the headset into the socket located on the side of the microphone, which is next to the volume dial. Finally, connect the microphone to a laptop or PC using the USB cable. The square end slots into the microphone. With the rectangular end plugging into the laptop. Once you have assembled and connected the contents of the bag, you should have a setup similar to this. Changing Windows audio settings. It's always wise to check that the audio options are set correctly, especially if using your own laptop. To view or edit the playback options such as audio output, right-click on the speaker icon in the taskbar and pick Playback Devices. Highlight the Rode Podcaster mic and click Set Default if it isn't already set like this. To check the recording options such as Default Microphone, click on the Recording tab and follow the same procedure. Using the microphone. When using the microphone, you should always talk directly into the end, as this will dramatically improve the sound level and quality of your recording. As a guide, try keeping the microphone approximately 2 to 4 inches from your mouth and see how this sounds. You should be able to clearly see the green LED on the side of the microphone. Before using the headphones, make sure that the volume control on the side of the microphone is turned completely down. The volume level you hear in the headphones is not the volume level you're recording at. This is just for your own monitoring purposes. The headphone output is very loud, so please be careful. Position yourself in front of the microphone correctly with the headphones on, speak, and gradually increase the volume to a comfortable level. Launching Blueberry Flashback to record your podcast. Before launching Blueberry Flashback, it is best practice to create a folder on a desktop as a temporary storage area. This will be used to put the raw footage in that Flashback creates. As we saw earlier, installed applications can be found in the All Programs section of the Start menu. Blueberry Flashback is under Blueberry Software. Alternatively, you can also use the search function within Windows to find it, or any other applications that you may need. Once you've found it, simply click on the BB Flashback Pro 3 recorder icon. Once you've finished and press the stop button, Flashback will ask if you want to save or discard the recording. Hit save, browse to the folder you created on the desktop, rename the file appropriately and hit save again. Exporting and saving your content. Once you've finished recording your podcast and edited as you see fit, you're ready to export. You can save the exported podcast as a variety of video formats. When exporting a podcast, browse to the folder you created on the desktop to keep all content together.